Hello friends, in this video you will learn about total decoding messages program. Our task is a top secret message containing letters from A to Z is being encoded to numbers using the following mapping: A with 1, B with 2 up to Z with 26. You are an FBI agent, you have to determine the total number of ways that message can be decoded. See this note. An empty digit sequence is considered to have one decoding. It may be assumed that the input contains valid digits from 0 to 9, and if there are leading zeros, extra trailing zeros, and two or more consecutive zeros, then it is an invalid string. To get the idea about this task, here is one example. Given encoded message 123. It could be decoded as ABC, nothing but 1 with A, 2 with B, 3 with C, or LC, nothing 12 with L, 3 with C, or 1 with A, 23 with W. So total ways are 3. Input and output I will explain with example. Here is the example. Input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case, we take the two lines. First line is the length of the string. Second line is the string which is consisting of 0 to 9 digits like 1 to 3. The same way remaining test cases. Output is the number of ways the given message to decode. See, you already know about 1 to 3. It output is 3 as with example. To solve this task, we will write our code. See, first test cases taking t variable, take the value of t. For all test cases using while loop with t minus minus. In every test case, we take the length of the string n, take that value. To store the characters using character array with size n, take that string with a. Then to find out the ways using function total number of ways, passing two parameters a and n. Then that function returns the integer value that stores in now, that is the output. See, this is the function total number of ways character star a int n. This is the beginning. So come to the problem. See, first an empty digit sequence is considered to have one decoding. Nothing but if there is no n value. If there is no n value, that means it is not digit. So check if is alpha, then return 1. That is one decoding. Then see. Next, if there are leading zeros, if it is begin with a 0, then that is also comes under invalid string. A of 0 is equal to 0 character, then return 0. Then if it is valid, then what's happened? Like 1, 2, 3. To solve this task, I am using three variables. Those are int p is about if there is no number, then that is also 1. If it is one number, taking q, that is also 1. The result, initial result also 1. Result is the number of ways, initially that is 1. Then start the traveling from 1 onwards. I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. See, already if it is one digit, that is other than 0 is there, then comes to the this part. This already 1 is completed, it is considered as 1, then check with 2. See, by observing this, we need to take the previous calculations. Why? Because it is 2. 2 is 2 is B, and taking this 12, it is L. So it can make AB and also L. 1 2 can create 2. So is this is under in between 0 1 to 26 or not? Nothing but 10 to 26 is 12. If it is under 10 to 26, then the time that previous values are added. See, to find out that one, using an additional variable t, take that a of I minus 1, converting that as digit and multiplying with 10 plus a of I current one. So t value is 12 now. Then check if t is greater than or equal to 10 and t is less than or equal to 26, then this block execute. In this case, we take, see this, if 10 is there, assume if 10 is there, 10 or 20 is there, those are exceptional cases. So when the 10 is there, that can only forms one letter, that is J, and 20 is there, that can generate O only. So in both cases, those are only generate 1. So if t equal to 10 or t equal to 20, in both cases, result stores the previous of previous result. See, take the previous results, nothing but that is P. Else, otherwise, result stores the P plus Q. See, 12 is there, 12 not 10, 20. So else block execute, result equal to P plus Q, 1 plus 1, 2. It is true because 1, 2 can make 2 decoding strings. Then comes to the else part. See, this else part opens when this is other than the 26, nothing more than 26, this will be happen, or less than the 10. In this case, assume, see, the zeros are there, more zeros. If t percentile 10 equal to 0, nothing but if it is other than this 10 or 20, that may be 0 or 30, 40 like that, then that case just return 0, nothing but that is invalid string. So these all are comes. Extra trailing zeros, 2 or more consecutive zeros comes under this case. Otherwise, else result equal to stores the Q value. Previous result will be stored in this RES result. Then P takes the Q value and Q takes the RES value. Okay, then I increment. We are at 3 now. See what happened. This is 2. 2 less than 3 is true. Then check this one. This T gets the 23. 23 comes under this T. 23 in between 10 and 26. Then it is not 10 20. Then else block execute. RES equal to P plus Q. In this, P value is q, nothing but 1, and q value is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Result stores the 3 value. Then I increments. I value is 3 now. 3 less than 3 is false. Then we need to return the result. Return res. Then now get the 3 value, that is the output for 1, 2, 3. See our code is right or not by compile test. Expected output, our output is same, then submit. Yes, correct answer with execution time 0.01. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.